Hi my family, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's episode or in today's vlog, I'm in, of course, Nyabuhansi, Kenya, and I'm trying to make breakfast for my Kenyan host and his family. Shout out to Lucas, and his channel is going to be here in the description box, so you can go follow him. We are making matoke katogo. This is like the most famous food in Uganda, and we also found it here in Kenya, and I said, why not? Let me make for them breakfast, even though we are late for breakfast, but we are, we have to get it done. And of course you have to peel, and this is how you do it. This is how you hold the banana, like this, and then you start from here, the top, and then you make sure the knife is just slipping, like not, so you do like this. That way every husk goes off smoothly and nicely. I'm trying to hurry up because we are far behind time. Thank you guys for watching my previous videos, and I'd like to ask you to please watch the videos up to the very end, because it's very important for me. So in Kenya they have different types of matoke, and when we went to the restaurant yesterday to have breakfast, I realized they eat ndizi, which we eat as yellow bananas. In Uganda, it is actually cooked here. And in Uganda, it's only cooked when there is famine. When there is famine, like a serious famine, a lot of famine, then we can cook that ndizi. But here in Kenya, looks like it's normal food. Yeah.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really?
We have to put them in water first because we have to avoid the, they come with the, I don't know how they call masanda in English. If you know, put it in the comment section down below. You have to put it in water first, so it goes, the dirt goes off, like the soil, any kind of germ, you put it in water, and then you peel clean banana. But not everybody does it like this. It's just that mama of this house made sure to give it to me, so I thought, why not use it? Okay guys, so we are done peeling. You see how the knife looks after peeling? There is, I don't know how you call these in English, like the things like look like gum, you see? But if we didn't use water, this whole knife would be full of that kind of stuff. But because we used water, it's a little bit less. And then I'm going to put cooking oil, and it will be so easy for everything to just go off. For our katogo, the ingredients today, we are using the simplest ones possible. We are using the tomatoes, the green pepper, and the onions, and then I'm going to put silver fish. Yeah, because I don't like eating plain food. And then we shall also use raiko, and those are going to be the ingredients for today. So, but we have to first fry this a little bit to give it a bit of there's a good smell that comes with it, like when you burn it. And this is good for, when a child is very malnourished, this is what we use. It is very nutritious. It is very nutritious, this thing here, this one. And yeah, it's gotten from Lake Victoria. This is from fresh water bodies, not from the sea. So I don't think people from Europe will have this, but yeah, we do. Let's go to the kitchen. But I have to first peel off the tomatoes as Mama washes. So normally I like to peel off the top, which can take quite some time because I don't want to see the remains of tomatoes on my plate. So I'll peel off the toppings. It's important. I've never had to cook in a space this small. So this is going to be amazing. Let's see how it turns out. Then we put them kind of there, like that. I don't know if this is enough. Let me add a bit. I'll leave this one. Just this small one. So I need something to steer through for me. If you fry them like this, it's easier for, you know, they usually have stones in these small heads of theirs. They sometimes have stones here. So when you fry them like this, it's easier for the stones to go off. And then when you dip them in the water, yeah, you're good to go. You fry them until a very nice smell comes out. And then they turn slightly brownish, and then you know you're good to go. So this is quite a unique setting. It is a bit small compared to what we use in my village, but I like the comfort.
Madam. Azan.
I think one thing we have as Africans in common are these 3-stone stove. Mama, yeah, give me that one. Give me that one. Yes, Mama has been nice to give us this. Okay, this is unique. It is not the same as the one we use in Uganda. It's totally different. Okay, not totally, but slightly different because this is kind of bent. Ours are usually straight.
They have started.
The smell. Actually, when your child has measles, those who are in Africa, if your child has measles, look for silverfish, the one from fresh lake water bodies. Yes, you look for that and do the way I'm doing, and then make sure you just pour water, no salt, no nothing, and then give the child to drink or to eat, especially drinking the soup of it, and then your child will be good in just 3 days. Try it. So we are done with frying them. I think they look really nice.
Yeah.
And they smell nice. I need you to pause. So now I have to put it here and clean this saucepan. Ah, there's a cat.
Today is the first day I'm seeing this procedure.
So, you see how brownish they are?
Yeah, for sure. Huh?
So, you leave them in the water for some time to soak. But because there is a cat, I'll have to take it this side. I like to leave my onions brown so that they make color. So then I put water. Meanwhile, guys, Lucas is behind my camera and he can't see. He's like, then I'll go ahead and add in my salt because I want them to boil, like to get soaked so quick. That's why I'll add the salt already. And then stir again. And then I'll let it rest for some time and I'll show you after. Huh? Look. What can I top so these tomatoes can boil so fast?
I can't.
You don't know?
I don't know. You know me, I don't know cooking.
When you cover something, there's a way it boils faster. And we are so time bad, guys.
No, be keen. If you have never break it.
Yeah, I've been breaking them. It's been a long time since I last did this, but yo, this feels so relieving. So relieving. And when you're putting the firewood, you make sure they are not too much, so that there is space for aeration, so that the fire keeps burning like. So now I'll go ahead and add in my pepper, like this, and then here, let's wash this. So it's now all soft and nice. Luckily, I don't feel any stones down, so which means this was good quality. You know, even they have different qualities, like type 1, type 2, the one they export and the one that is used locally, you know, that stuff. But this looks pretty good to me. It all looks healthy, none is broken, so it's a good thing. What do you know what to do?
They know to dig,
Uh-huh.
to bring food,
Uh-huh.
and they cook. But in college, it was just cooking. Then if it is okay, not okay, so long as I eat.
So long as you eat.
Yes.
Meanwhile, shout out to yourself because you've been very nice to us.
Thank you so much. My name is Lucas the Traveler. If at all you have not subscribed, kindly go and check me out as Lucas the Traveler stock farmer.
Yes.
Yeah, Lucas the Traveler, but there's some blankets farmer. I do farming videos, I do traveling videos, every kind of videos.
Okay.
Yeah, so go and check me out as Lucas the Traveler. Thank you so much, you people.
So he's behind the camera, the guy who can't cook but can eat. Guys, meanwhile, in where I come from, a woman is not supposed to cook while standing. You have to kneel down or sit down. So, but because of the space of this place, that's why I'm standing most of the time. Then I will add our silver fish like that. But because we want it to boil at the same time with the matoke, so I'll go ahead and add it as well at the same time. So this is what it looks like so far. Okay. We have our matoke and we're supposed to put them here. Like that. Guys, the space is not my friend. And then so now it's time to add in our water. But this is Raiko. I think I like Raiko. It's like we just do like this and then leave the dirty water down, and then we put this one in because this is what will make our food more tasty. Okay. Now you see why Africans have a better immune system. You see why Africans are strong, because everything we do, including cooking, you need a lot of power. And then when you have flu, by the time you leave the kitchen, the smoke has already taken the flu out of you. So I need to break the wood, I need to run up and down, I need to peel. Like every part of my body is exercising, my knees, my back, everything. So yeah, God bless Africa. You have to be careful so you don't injure yourself with this, because this can be very, very dangerous if you don't be very careful. So you have to be careful where you hold, because this can enter your body and you'll cry the entire day. Okay, let me take to them. I need your honest review on my food.
But this food is so delicious, eh? Actually, as you saw the video, you watched the video from the first, I was the one cooking. And,
You're not the one. No. Cameraman. Behind the camera.
But for sure,
Yeah.
I didn't like banana, but now I like banana.
Eh?
Yeah, because it's delicious. I
Amen.
never expected it could be delicious. I can eat even 5 plates now.
But the way you're still not eating.
Huh?
You're still not eating. You eat. What about you, sir?
Madam, The food is so delicious.
Hey.
Finally.
So I can be married to a Kenyan
Yes.
and I cook matoke.
I can now remember that you are a Ugandan. You know, you Ugandans love matoke.
Yes, we
Yeah,
do.
it's so sweet.
Yes.
So guys, it's good to introduce myself, you know. I'm a YouTuber, not this village of YouTubers. So guys, it's Prince Odinga, my channel name, Prince Odinga. Go find me there, you'll enjoy more videos about Africa, about us Koreans. Yeah, a lot of activities happening in our village, in Ayamarwa site there. Even we came up with an idea of building a modern gazebo. Do you know a gazebo?
No, we don't know.
A place of smoking.
A place of smoking.
Not that. How do we call this food?
Manganyo.
Manganyo.
Katogo. Katogo.
Katogo. We drink katogo.
So this is our plate. The food looks amazing. So this is our matoke. I think it looks pretty nice.
Yes.
And this Kenyan beauty here is going to tell us what she thinks about the matoke.
Let me first of all, I want to test the matoke. Then I tell you how it tasted. Yeah. And this is Kobenata at Lilin vlog.
No,
Whatever.
Kobenata.
Yeah.
Your name is Kobenata and your channel name is...
Lin. I'm at Lin. Let me say thank you for welcoming me to your video. Yeah. So let me test this one. I feel whether is tasting good, and it has some small fish, omena. Yeah,
Omena, that
call
is...
them omena. Let me put it here for the lighting. Yeah. This guys was made by Ugandan lady. Okay, Lin Tabu. Please guys, she knows how to cook. Go and get that. Just check the way she started cooking. And please like the video and share all the time. And don't forget to subscribe to Kobenata also. And if you have not subscribed to Lin, please go and check her and subscribe.
And invite me to cook for you, Katogo.
Yes, and invite to cook Katogo.
Shami Vlogs. What do you think about my Katogo? You're still thinking?
Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming back to watch this beautiful vlog. It's a beautiful morning from Nyamuhanse village, the most famous village in Kenya right now.
Yes.
So actually I'm sorry I started eating before she put the camera in my face, but trust me, this is the best morning Katogo I've had. The best morning in Ndizi. In Kenya we call this in Ndizi. It's very beautiful, it's delicious. Delicioso.
Thank you. Thank you.
Allah. And the soup, with this omena.
Then, iko wati?
Tam.
Oh, thank you so much. Guys, subscribe to her channel. She's called Shami Vlogs.
Kindly check me out.
Yes. And then we get to the only gentleman.
Habari ndugu zangu.
You have to know how to say hi.
Yeah, today is a Saturday in Kenya, and this is the best
It's
food.
a members' day even for planting trees.
Okay.
So, for the 3 days that I've been in Kenya, this is the best food I've had. Yes. Let me be honest.
Let me first cut you. Truth to be told, since I came here, like I was hungry, but I was fearing to talk. So please, this one is going to fill me up at least for the next 4 days.
Oh, God.
So
Let me
thank
say
you.
something about this
The small fish, silver fish, looks well cooked and prepared. She took her time. I think there is no sand. No sand. Other people, when they cook, you find sand.
I tried to clean it up.
Yeah, let me say, this fish, they are called sardines in English. So,
Silverfish.
yeah, or the silver fish. So guys, you can Just
I was
go
saying
and
this
check the cooking. Mwah.
Thank you
Wow.
so much.
Yes.
So on a 10 over 10, on a
You
10,
give 10.
I know on a scale of 10 I give 9. 9
Why?
has to remain. I have to also remain 1.
Oh, okay. That's
Yes.
fair enough.
Yes.
That's fair enough.
9 out of 10. 90.
How many are you giving me?
90%.
Me, I'm giving you 10 over 10 because
Oh.
I've never ever cooked this kind of food.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So sweet.
And Shami, you give
This
me?
one is going to. If I stop, they'll say I don't know how to cook, but it's a 10 out of 10. For real, eh? If something is better than you cook.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I can't cook something like this.
Yeah.
Sure.
So, Tinlin Zabu, we are getting it right.
Wow.
We are getting it right, guys. And our other friend, Harriet Anabo, she doesn't eat matoke, so it's unfortunate for her, but she's trying to get food for herself. But anyway, she's also part of us. Go check her channel out at Harriet Anabo. And please do subscribe. Also do subscribe to Joel Obatan. They do very fantastic
Please.
and Kobenata.
Please.
If you have watched this video up to this very point, you deserve a special place in heaven. So I'm going to end this vlog right here. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't skip the ads.
Yeah.
Please don't.
Don't.
And also make sure you watch for at least a few minutes, no seconds. And then I'll catch you in my next vlog. See you. Bye. How does it taste? Hey, mi sijui Kiswahili.
Ni nzuri, tamu sana.
It's very nice. Very nice. Okay, thank you very much. But you are not eating, Mama.
I don't eat matoke, I have ulcers.
Ah, sorry. Sorry.
I eat mchele.
Oh, okay. Thank you though for helping us.